Namaste to all dear warriors students. Here I am with a new video relating to the cost accounting, and this is introduction unit, and in this video we are going to discuss the advantages of cost accounting. AD चले गया है यहाँ पे. Okay, advantages of cost accounting. So in this video we are going to discuss the advantages of cost accounting. This question may be asked as a short question or long question. If we ask as a short question, how to write, and if we ask as a long question, how to write, we are going to discuss. And moreover, along with the advantages, they may ask you to limitations also. So limitations and advantages together as a long question they may ask, or advantages alone as short question or long question they will ask, and limitation generally asked for the short question. So after knowing the advantages, we need to know the limitations also. That I will prepare another video, so that small topics we will make one video for that each. So without wasting any further more time, let us discuss the advantages of cost accounting in this video. So advantages of cost accounting. The advantages of cost accounting are as follows. Important to management. Next, मैनेजमेंट में और सब पॉइंट्स है, दोस्त वी विल डिस्कस लेटर. इम्पॉर्टेंट टू मैनेजमेंट. नेक्स्ट, एम्प्लॉयज, क्रेडिटर्स, national economy, operating. Sometimes they will ask you what are the benefits or importance of cost accounting. At that time also you write only this answer. So what I have highlighted, 5 points I have highlighted. One is management. Okay, advantages to management, to employees, to creditors, to national economy, and to operating policy. So these 5 points if you write for short question, that is enough. If long question has come, then further importance of management, advantages have been further classified. Those classification also we will write for the long question. Hope you have understood now. So let us see. तो इसलिए एक निमोनिक बना लेंगे. मैनेजमेंट एम्प्लॉइज, क्रेडिटर्स और नेशनल इनकम का ऑपरेटिंग पॉलिसी बना रहा. व्हाट आर द एडवांटेजेस बोले तो क्या बोलना, मैनेजमेंट, एम्प्लॉइज, क्रेडिटर्स एंड नेशनल इनकम, नेशनल इकोनॉमी का ऑपरेटिंग पॉलिसी बना रहा. क्या बना रहा है, मैनेजमेंट, एम्प्लॉइज, क्रेडिटर्स, नेशनल इकोनॉमी ऑपरेटिंग पॉलिसी का क्या बना रहा, ऑपरेटिंग पॉलिसी बना रहा. ये क्या है आपके लिए निमोनिक है. आर एल्स यू कैन से MNC, मैनेजमेंट, N फॉर नेशनल इकोनॉमी, C फॉर क्रेडिटर्स एंड OE, MNC, OE. ओके, आर एल्स MNC एम्प्लॉय ऑफर, MNC एम्प्लॉय ऑफर, ऐसा आप याद रखो. ऑफर के जगह पे ऑपरेटिंग पॉलिसी आ जाएगा. ओके, MNC एम्प्लॉय ऑपरेटिंग पॉलिसी, MNC ऑपरेटिंग पॉलिसी, ऐसा आप कुछ निमोनिक आप मेमोरी टिप के लिए लगा लो. लेट अस सी दी थिंग्स नाउ ईच. सो हाउ इट विल बी बेनिफिशियल टू दी, मैनेजमेंट. Cost accounting provides valuable help to management in difficult to indicate where to work a cost accountant ends and managerial control begins. जहाँ पे कास्ट अकाउंटेंट का काम खत्म होता है वहीं से क्या बिगिन होता है, मैनेजरियल कंट्रोल का बिगिनिंग होता है. सो द फॉलोइंग आर द एडवांटेजेस टू द मैनेजमेंट. द फॉलोइंग आर द एडवांटेजेस टू helps in ascertainment of cost. Cost accounting helps management in ascertainment of cost of process, product, job, contract or any activity by using different techniques such as job costing, process costing, etc. कास्ट कितना है प्रोडक्ट का असरटेन करने के लिए मैनेजमेंट को ये हेल्प करेगा बस. नेक्स्ट, एड्स इन प्राइस फिक्सेशन. एक कास्ट का या प्रोडक्ट का कितना प्राइस है वो फिक्स करने के लिए ये यूज होता है. सो प्राइस फिक्सेशन बाय यूजिंग डिमांड एंड सप्लाई एक्टिविटीज of competitors market conditions to the extent also determine the price of the product, and cost to the producer does play an important role. So producer can take necessary help from his costing records. So what are the prices of competitors and what is our price? Those two things can be determined on डिमांड सप्लाई ऑफ एंड एक्टिविटीज़ ऑफ कॉम्पिटिटर्स मार्केट कंडीशन के हिसाब से अपना कास्ट रिकॉर्ड के हिसाब से क्या कर सकते हैं अपन प्राइस फिक्सेशन करने के लिए ये हेल्प होगा कास्ट रिकॉर्ड्स. देन हेल्प्स इन कास्ट रिडक्शन. सो how can you increase your profit means by increasing the sales or by reducing the cost. So cost reduction is one of the important thing. Once you reduce the cost, in long run it will help. So cost can be reduced in long run when cost reduction program and improve methods are tried to reduce the cost. So with the help of costing records we can reduce the cost by fixing some standard prices and seeing that we should not our expenditure should not be more than that fixed prices. Next, elimination of wastage. As it is possible to know cost of product at every stage, it becomes possible to check forms of waste such as time, expenses, etc. are used in machine equipment and material. So elimination of wastage can be done through the cost information based on, because we will know how much prime cost, how much your factory cost, how much administration cost, how much selling and distribution cost with the help of cost records, and how much cost incurred in particular process or for particular product. So product wise, process wise, cost information will be there. So we can eliminate the wastages. तो आपके लिए यहाँ पे 4 पॉइंट है. एक असरटेनमेंट ऑफ कास्ट, दूसरा प्राइस फिक्सेशन, तीसरा कास्ट रिडक्शन, वेस्टेज. सो ascertaining the cost, price fixation, cost reduction, wastage, elimination of wastage, these are the points we need to remember as for the management advantages. मैनेजमेंट का काम क्या है? कास्ट असरटेन करना. नेक्स्ट उससे क्या होता? प्राइस फिक्स होता. प्राइस फिक्स होने के बाद कास्ट को रिड्यूस करे तो प्रॉफिट ज्यादा होगा. कास्ट कैसे रिड्यूस होगा? इफ यू एलिमिनेट द वेस्टेज. सो कास्ट, प्राइस, cost reduction, elimination of wastage, these are the points. Let us see the further more points. Not only that, elimination of wastage, we need to identify the unprofitable activities. With the help of costing accounts, unprofitable activities are identified so that necessary correction may be taken. Suppose A, B, two products are there. One product is doing well in the market, another product is not. When you have costing information relating to product wise, it is easily identifiable which activities should not be continued as unprofitable hai. So with the help of cost accounting records it can be done. In financial accounting it is not possible, because total profit how much we will know, product wise information we will not know in financial accounting. Next, helps in checking accuracy of financial accounts. फाइनेंशियल अकाउंट्स का एक्यूरेसी चेक करने के लिए ये यूज होता है. कास्ट अकाउंटिंग हेल्प्स इन चेकिंग द एक्यूरेसी ऑफ फाइनेंशियल अकाउंट्स विद द हेल्प ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स ऑफ द प्रॉफिट एज पर फाइनेंशियल अकाउंट्स विद द हेल्प ऑफ प्रॉफिट एज पर कास्ट अकाउंट्स. इफ यू कंपेयर ईच वन, कितना एक्सपेंडिचर हुआ, कहाँ पे कम ज़्यादा हो रहे, वो सब चीज़ें आप असरटेन कर सकते हैं, चेक कर सकते हैं. हेल्प्स इन फिक्सिंग द सेलिंग प्राइस. मैनेजमेंट को सेलिंग प्राइस फिक्स करने में, बिकॉज व्हेन यू नो योर कास्ट you can add your profit and tell the this will be my selling price. So it is one of the advantage. Helps in inventory control. See, the most important component of any cost is material inventory. If most of the cost will be for material itself, so if you control inventory, then your cost will reduce and finished products will be available at lower prices. So cost record furnishes cost control which management requires in respect of stock of material, work in progress and finished goods. जैसा कि GRN, MRN and stores ledger, bin cards, all these are used. Reorder level, EOQ, stock levels, all these will help in the inventory management in costing records. Helps in estimates. Suppose you want to quote a tender or quotation, based on that what we can do, we can estimate our prices and costs so that projects can be done based on the information of costing records. Costing records provide reliable basis upon which tenders and estimates may be prepared. Okay, these are the advantages to the management. Okay, next some other things are there other than management. Let us see those points also one by one. It is important to the employees also, because employees के लिए क्या चाहिए, for their efforts we need to pay their salaries or wages, whatever maybe they will get in return. So based on the cost records, employees will have an idea how much incentives they will get. Okay, so based on the cost records it will be easy for, so management also make policies according to that, like HALSAPE and Rowan plans, or time base is better, or piece rate system is better. Based on that it will be done. Workers and employees have an interest in which they are employed. So an efficient costing system benefits employees through incentive plans of their enterprise. As a result, both productivity and earning capacity increases. एम्प्लॉय का अर्निंग कैपेसिटी बढ़ेगा और प्रोडक्टिविटी दोनों भी कास्ट अकाउंटिंग रिकॉर्ड्स आपको बताएंगे. सो लेट अस सी दी फर्दर. Important to creditors. Suppliers, investors, financial institutions, money lenders, others have a stake in success of the business concerns. Therefore, are benefited by installation of efficient casting system. आप अच्छा casting system आप लगा रहे, so it will be useful for suppliers. आपको जो लोग supply कर रहे हैं वो लोगों को, financial institutions, money lenders who will give you working capital requirements and other things, loans वगैरह. So how they will give, based on the how much efficiently work you are doing, this will be known through the casting system itself, because financial records will show only after transactions have taken place. But when you go to the banks or other people for the projects getting money or funds, they will ask some estimates. So based on cost records you will prepare the estimates, so they can base their judgments about the profitability and prospects of enterprise upon the studies of reports submitted by the cost accountant. ये हमारा कास्ट है, इतना अपना हमारा కాస్ట్ होता, ఇది మా కాస్ట్ ఇంత అవుతుంది, మాకు ఇంత ప్రాఫిట్ వస్తుంది ఈ ప్రోడక్ట్ సేల్ చేస్తే అని మనం రిపోర్ట్ సబ్మిట్ చేసాం. సో బేస్డ్ ఆన్ దోస్ రిపోర్ట్స్ మనీ లెండర్స్, ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్స్, సప్లయర్స్ విల్ గివ్ అస్ ది క్రెడిట్ ఫెసిలిటీ. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ది ఇంపార్టెంట్ థింగ్. ఇంపార్టెంట్ టు నేషనల్ ఎకానమీ. An efficient casting system benefits national economy by stepping up the government revenue by achieving the higher production. If every business unit has following good casting system, okay, so it will increase overall economy of the country. So development of country will takes place due to efficient production facility. GDP on the basis of production also will be calculated, that is the point they are saying. And important to the operating policy of the management. these whatever we are discussing, these points are there na, these points operating policy से related, these related topics will come in the next semester also. Cost accounting offers thorough analysis of cost data which forms the basis for formulating policy regarding day-to-day business, such as whether to make a product or buy from outside. Suppose for making a product, okay, you need some other intermediate product. Suppose you want to make an X product. For this, raw material or intermediary, one more input is required. This input is, you can say, as A. Okay, this A is directly you can produce, you can make by yourself or buy from the outside to make the product X. Whether to buy or make depends upon the cost of the product. Suppose if you are making, if your making cost is 8 rupees and it is available in the outside market 7 rupees, will you make or buy? You will buy. Okay, if same thing in the market is at 9 rupees, at this situation you will make the product. So make or buy decisions लेने के लिए यूज होता है. Whether to shut down or continue प्रोड्यूसिंग और सेलिंग बिलो द कास्ट, आप कास्ट से कम में आपको सेल करना है या शट डाउन करना है ऑपरेशंस, ये डिसाइड करने के लिए कास्ट अकाउंटिंग रिकॉर्ड्स विल शो. फर्स्ट, इफ यू नो योर कास्ट, whether we are selling at lesser than the cost, whether to continue or our production or not, we will see. So these are managerial decision making. One topic is there in this sixth semester, we will discuss at their detail. अभी के लिए whether to shut down or produce further at below the cost, वो आपको डिसाइड करने में which one will use, cost accounting will use. Whether to repair an old plant or replace it, ओल्ड प्लांट को ही रिपेयर करवा के यूज करे तो अच्छा है या रिप्लेस करे तो अच्छा है. ओके, समटाइम्स we will repair the old one and we will make the it work. Generally in our home also, in summer season people will take out their air coolers and other things. If any small problem arises in the cooler, then what we will do, we will get it repaired. If replaced, old वाला वेस्ट है, नया वाला लाना है, तो when you we will replace, when we will repair, वो डिसीजन लेने के लिए भी आपको कास्ट अकाउंटिंग will be useful. These are the few points relating to the importance of or advantages of cost accounting. मैंने क्या बोला आपको यहाँ पे important एंड advantages में, MNC में एम्प्लॉई ऑपरेटिंग पॉलिसी है, ये आप याद रखो. M फॉर मैनेजमेंट का, N फॉर नेशनल इकोनॉमी, C फॉर क्रेडिटर्स, E फॉर एम्प्लॉइज इटसेल्फ एंड O फॉर ऑपरेटिंग पॉलिसी. जैसे भी ये, तो MNC में एम्प्लॉई ऑपरेटिंग पॉलिसी, ये आपके एडवांटेजेस है, बस इतना याद रखो. एंड फॉर मैनेजमेंट पर्पस, फॉर मैनेजमेंट पर्पस देर आर सम अदर पॉइंट्स लाइक, मैनेजमेंट के लिए एडिशनली कास्ट प्राइस फिक्सेशन, कास्ट वेस्टेज ऑफ एंड अनप्रॉफिटेबल प्रोडक्ट्स, एक्यूरेसी ऑफ फाइनेंशियल, सेलिंग एंड इन्वेंट्री मैनेजमेंट एस्टिमेट्स, ये सब आपके लिए क्या है, एडिशनली पॉइंट्स है. उसके लिए आप अपने हिसाब से बना लो. लाइक कास्ट पता चले तो प्राइस फिक्स कर सकते, प्राइस पता चले तो कास्ट रिडक्शन करना है, कास्ट रिडक्शन के लिए एलिमिनेशन ऑफ वेस्टेज, अनप्रॉफिटेबल एक्टिविटीज आइडेंटिफिकेशन, चेकिंग द फाइनेंशियल इंफॉर्मेशन, फिक्सिंग द सेलिंग प्राइस, इन्वेंट्री को कंट्रोल करो, एस्टिमेट करो, टेंडर्स, बस इतना ही. ऐसा आप एक गाना जैसा बना लिए तो आसान हो जाएगा पढ़ने में. So here I'll end the answer of this video and let us deal next, in next video I'll explain you the limitations सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग फर्दर मोर टाइम, सीखना बंद तो जीतना बंद, सीखते रहो जीतने के लिए। जय हिंद। इफ यू लाइक द वीडियो गिव ए लाइक बटन, शेयर टू योर फ्रेंड्स, क्योंकि शेयरिंग इज केयरिंग। तो लास्टली, सीखना बंद तो जीतना बंद, सीखते रहो जीतने के लिए। जय हिंद।